Hi, this is Michael Taggart from Futura Kitchens. We recently had a client whose kitchen was an outdated home builder design kitchen. The clients needed more usable space and wanted new design trends with brighter colors and a more functional design. They were also upgrading their kitchen appliances, so I redesigned the layout of the kitchen to accommodate those. Along the top of the cabinets there was about a foot of wasted space, so we extended the cabinets up to the ceiling. The cabinets also ended at the stove, so I suggested that we could extend the cabinets and countertop past the stove to increase usable space. I also added a granite table into the design to replace the old kitchen table and chairs.
I've had friends who've had their kitchens finished by Futura Kitchens, and I've seen the work that was done there, and we set up an appointment, and my wife and I went and spoke with Mike Taggart at Futura Kitchens, and he came to look at our kitchen, and then we went over the colors, the wood finish, and we kind of laid out basically what we wanted. He took it even further, and he brought us back plans for the whole kitchen. We looked at them, and they were very, very well done. In fact, there was very few changes. He actually took my wife and brought her to each of these manufacturers, and she literally picked out the slabs of granite that we wanted for our kitchen. We wanted to get some new appliances to go with our new kitchen. So when we ordered the appliances, we told Michael the model number, and he literally built the kitchen around our stuff that we bought. They came in, they gutted the kitchen, and then once that was all done, they started with the counters and putting in the cupboards. Everything that's in here was all custom built by Futura. We used to have a kitchen table here. What's here now is a one piece of granite. It's attached to the wall, and it's very comfortable for 4 or even 5 people to sit here. The new part of the kitchen starts from the stove, the edge of the stove, to the wall. There was nothing here before. It was just a wall. The cupboards on top were a lot smaller, and there was a good 1.5 foot gap between the ceiling and the top of the cupboards. So they were small. Lots of space added. The dishwasher used to be in the corner. It was moved. The next door, if you open it up, there's a Lazy Susan in there with some pots and pans and toasters and stuff like that. Beside the fridge, when you open up the doors, there's pull-out shelving that slides out. You take what you want, slide it back in. The door's closed and it's soft close. And then down below it is pots and pans. We were talking about that spot, and Mike suggested, well, you could put a wine rack there, and then he drew it into the drawing, and we liked it. And actually, I like it a lot. We had no complaints. They came in, they worked, and every day when they left, the place was spotless. Not only did they clean the kitchen, but they cleaned the dining room floors, the living room, right out to the door. The place was spotless at the end of the day. My impression, they're just a great company. They did a really good job. I would recommend them to anyone, and I have. My wife and I are very pleased, very pleased.